What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds Program review, and today we are going over the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Stubby Impact. And this tool I have got to test over the previous week at my shop, and we used it versus the snap-on version, and I can say this tool pretty much blew it out of the water. So the main thing we tried it on was brake caliper mounting bolts. So the two bolts that hold the caliper into the caliper bracket. Put the snap-on gun on it, hit it, didn't move. Put the Milwaukee gun on it. As soon as you pull the trigger, the bolt came right out. I mean, no hesitation, nothing. Now obviously this is brand new and the snap-on's been used, so sometimes the battery power is a little bit off. But this kit you see here, that comes with two different batteries. It comes with the 4.0 and the 2.0. So the 4.0 is the one I have in there now, and the 2.0 right here. So it comes with both, and it comes with a charger and a soft carrying case. It's really nice. I like these better than the plastic ones. So the cool thing about this is it's stubby, so it's compact. So for woodworking, or if you're not working in cramped areas, the stubby isn't going to help you all that much, except maybe if you carry it on your belt, it's not as big. But for a mechanic, if the car's up on the lift and you're up trying to get in somewhere, this is going to give you the advantage because it's smaller and it's going to fit into different areas. So it's really easy to use. You just have a switch to push for forward and reverse. It has the LED light in the front, and it has 4 different speeds. So on the top here, whatever one's lit, you get 1, 2, 3, and then there's an arrow, which is the 4th speed, which is it'll go at a reduced RPM until it gets the desired torque. That's what it says in the manual. I haven't tested that out yet. And then also there's some lights there on the side. I believe that's for your battery, let you know how much power you got left. But overall, I think this is an awesome tool if you use it. So I probably won't use it a whole lot at home. I don't have the need for an impact at home that much. At work, I'll probably end up bringing it to work because I'll actually use it there. But I have the 1/2-inch version of this, non-stubby, and it's a beast. I use it all the time. I've had it for like 2 or 3 years. So this is just another addition. Like I said, we compared it to Snap-on, and I would definitely buy this over Snap-on. This is $300. The Snap-on version is like $600. It's absolutely ridiculous to buy a Snap-on. I mean, Milwaukee has done a great job. I really recommend it, and for the price, $300 to get 2 batteries and charger in this, it is definitely worth it.